I wanted ChatGPT to feel less like another browser tab and more like a real Linux desktop app. So I built this, a Linux-focused Electron Wrapper for the ChatGPT web app. It launches like a normal desktop application, opens in its own window, and keeps the experience separate from the browser. The basic idea is simple. Keep the convenience of ChatGPT, but wrap it in a cleaner Linux desktop workflow. For this demo, I'm asking it to explain the wrapper and its security policy. This is not meant to replace ChatGPT itself. It is an independent, unofficial wrapper around the ChatGPT web app, designed to make the experience feel more native on Linux. The important part is the boundary. The wrapper is designed so ChatGPT can run inside the app, but it does not get control over the user's Linux system. That means no node exposure to the web content, no preload bridge, no shell command IPC, no webviews, and no disabled sandboxing or disabled web security. I wanted the project to avoid the common trap of making an Electron wrapper more powerful than it needs to be. The goal is not to add risky convenience features. The goal is to keep the app focused, understandable, and locked down. A normal browser can go anywhere. This wrapper is intentionally narrower. It is built around ChatGPT, with a Linux desktop workflow layered around it. That gives it room for Linux-specific features like launcher behavior, app style menus, diagnostics, support reports, and a cleaner app identity, without turning it into a general-purpose automation tool. Here you can see the desktop style menu system. It still feels familiar, but the menu actions are kept controlled. The app can expose useful wrapper features without opening up unnecessary system access. It also behaves like a normal desktop app. You can use window controls, switch appearance, and keep the app integrated into the Linux desktop instead of digging through browser tabs. Another feature I care about is troubleshooting. If something goes wrong, the app can generate a support report. But the public-facing version is designed to avoid exposing private local details. That means sensitive paths, usernames, host names, and local machine details should be redacted before anything is shared publicly. The point is to make support easier without leaking information from the user's system. So the project is really about balance. ChatGPT gets a cleaner Linux desktop experience, while the wrapper stays focused, user local, and security conscious. Would you use ChatGPT as a dedicated Linux desktop app, or do you prefer keeping it in the browser?